your bow into the current. Wait, hold on, wait till we square up. Okay, go ahead, transfer, stabilize. Okay, we're gonna push away. Okay, let me go do.
Stay right here.
Tara, come here. No gas, idle. Just turn towards me. Okay, shut your boat off. Okay, go ahead and board. You two are gonna take these guys back.
My truck is where you guys have that way.
Okay, you're gonna take them back. And be kind of cool, right? And then you can come back and meet me right out there. Yeah, I'll get it. Hold. Which one?
Either one. They're going to go to the same place.
Okay, clear. Keep your bow into the current. Into the current. There you
Thank
go.
you.
Dana, just wait for me out there. Yeah, I'll come back out there. Copy.
Trying to save some horses.
You guys
killed ourselves.
But you know what? You guys did good, right? You're all here.
Yeah, we did.
What a great time to come together and like, you know, congratulations, right? That's a miracle.
That's right.
And like, what a blessing to have something like that. And just your whole perspective of life for the next 2 days is going to be very open, and you're going to see things differently. Just don't forget that gift, because it's a gift of life. I mean, that is deadly.
Oh, you would.
Deadly.
Right behind.
Well, we